So this is a DongCheng hammer drill. It's a nice, heavy, big drill. It has a selector on the top where you can choose the regular drill, or you can flip this over for the hammer drill setting. This handle on the side will go in whatever position you like, and it's easy to just unscrew it a little bit, twist it around, and put it in whatever position you like. The trigger on this is really nice as well. It's a kind of a 2-finger trigger, has a speed control, has a lock there as well, and so ergonomically it's really pretty easy to use. You know, you can use 2 fingers here and 2 down there, or just 1 up here, but it feels comfortable in the hand. It is a corded drill, and it is also a keyed drill chuck. Now it comes with a selection of drill bits, and I really don't expect a lot out of these drill bits. The ones you get in kits like this usually are not that great, but you know, who knows? You've got the wood bits here, you have concrete bits, and then you have metal bits. So you have a good selection of a few bits there to get started with. So I've used this just a little bit. I've done a little bit of hammer drilling and a little bit of regular drilling. It seems to work great. You know, I usually use DeWalt, but I had the opportunity to try this one out, and you know, I think it's a pretty good drill. So if you need especially if you need a hammer drill for a particular project and you don't want to go spend, you know, $200 or $300 or $400 to buy a hammer drill, this might be a good option for you.
That's it. DongCheng. It was still cool.